Hey everyone, so here's a video on how you can have a quote set up in sections and then how those sections copy over into tasks and then how you can cost track per task based on what you have. So first of all, what's important is when you set up your quote sections, have your scope of work and description, what the client's going to get inside here. If you can, if clients can do it so they have what the client is going to receive for their job as a scope of work, but also that's going to be a good scope of work to use in a task that the employees can refer back to so they know what they do. So super important you put that in there. The next step is if you want to cost track and make sure when you run your job financial reports, there's an estimated and actual profit once invoiced. Just make sure before these quotes are sent out, you've got to have your unit cost price and your unit sell price. So as long as the cost price is obviously cheaper than what you're going to sell it for, there's going to be a margin and you're going to make gross profit on that. So how these copy into task is go ahead, approve that quote, send it off to the customer and accept it. Once it's accepted, it's going to ask you if you want to convert it into a job. So from here, you can convert it into a job, scroll down to the task section and go copy task from quote. Select the quote and select all the tasks that you want to add on. Click OK. Now these tasks are going to pull back the description or the scope of work so your employees are going to know what's needed to be done. You can now click onto that task. You can assign a staff member to that task and you can assign a due date. What's super important for us is we're going to put an estimated cost. So the estimated cost is going to pull over from what that unit buy price is. So hence why that's super important. Now, how you cost track to these tasks is if we go to costs. So if we're going to upload a bill through SmartRead and convert those into a cost on the job card, we just need to click onto that cost and allocate it to a task. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go costs, new cost, and I'm going to search something from my price list. So if I browse the price list and let's just go search price list, I'm going to go some decking materials. So let's say we've purchased our piles and we have used 50 linear meters, and I'm going to assign that to the deck. Click OK. Now that's going to cost track back to that task here. So if I scroll down to decks, now I can see that my estimated cost was $1,560 roughly. I've actually spent $1,406, so my total profit to date is $154. If I run a job financial report now, it's going to show under the materials what my estimated costs were versus my actual cost and what my actual gross profit was. Cool. So that is how quote sections copy over to tasks and you can cost track to tasks.
Feel free to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. We have everything from detailed feature guides to customer tips and tricks. If you need any assistance or have any questions, our world-class support team is here to help. You can live chat with us from the app, shoot us an email, or give us a call.